Airliner Number 4 was a design by Norman Bell Geddes and Otto Koller for a 9-deck amphibious passenger aircraft intended to replace the large transatlantic liners that traveled between Europe and North America before the Second World War. It was never built. Norman Bell Geddes was one of the first industrial designers in the United States and is one of the pioneers of streamlining in design. He produced ambitious and futuristic projects in the 1930s for vehicles, flying cars, aircraft, and consumer goods, only some of which were realized. He was in the habit of giving his staff ambitious or unusual projects when they were between client commissions, such as get 1,000 luxury lovers from New York to Paris fast. Forget the limitations. The aircraft was designed between 1929 and 1932 with the idea of showing what the intercontinental airliner of 1940 will be like. Geddes developed the overall design concept, while German aeronautical engineer Otto Koller provided the engineering expertise, as Geddes was not a trained engineer. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.